Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Tropic 1.5mm glove. So this is a lightweight and thin glove. It's got an Amara palm, which I'll show you in a little bit, which is the main sort of selling point of this glove. You've got 1.5 neoprene on the back of your hand, so there's a little bit of thermal sort of protection, but not a great deal. It's nice and flexible and nice and thin as well, so you still have plenty of dexterity. Very easy to put on. You just have that simple piece of Velcro just to hold it in position. And then on the other side, you have an elasticated section that really holds it onto your hand. You also have a small little D-ring so you can clip them together, stop them from getting lost. And then on the inside, it's just a very sort of basic traditional lining. Across the sort of Amara section, it's a bit softer, so it's nice and comfortable even when wet. Okay, so the main selling point of the Tropic Glove is the Amara palms. This Amara material goes across the palm and on your fingertips as well. This is abrasion resistant and also puncture resistant. So you don't have to worry about sort of touching any sort of sharp rusty objects or sort of swimming, and if you touch a sea urchin, you don't have to worry about the pricker from going into you. This Amara material is very effective at preventing any kind of puncturing. It's also very grippy when wet. So if you're diving somewhere where the water's nice and warm, you still want a bit of protection for your hands or sort of some extra grip, then this is a fantastic option for you. This is the Scubapro Tropic 1.5mm glove. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.